master of the accordion meets the gods of rock, the prince of polka himself, Jeff Loven.
Now here we go! Zicky-zacky, zicky-zacky! Oi, oi, oi!
The Midwest's hottest one-man band, featuring his hottest single, Heavy Metal Polka. It's loud, proud, and 100% Midwest.
Call toll-free 1-800-632-1800 or save COD fees by sending $6.95 for records or cassettes or $9.95 compact disc plus $3 shipping to Jeff Loven, P.O. Box 1653, New Brighton, Minnesota.